Do you own or work at a commercial property in California, such as a hotel, restaurant, gas station, retail outlet, parking facility, or apartment building? Have you been wondering how to attract more customers and profit from the sudden explosion of electric vehicles that everyone's driving? If you said yes to both of these questions, then look no further, because we have the answer. We're Electric Vehicle Charging Solutions, or EVCS. A dynamic company that can easily install Level 2 and DC fast chargers at each of your locations, often at no cost to you. Every time someone charges, you earn. According to recent data from Good Car Bad Car, the number of electric vehicles on Golden State roads is set to triple between 2019 and 2023, going from 14.5% of all vehicles sold to 42.5%. That's a lot of new wheels that'll need power. Our complete turnkey solution allows you to tap this market. Most of our customers qualify for free chargers, complimentary maintenance, recurring revenue from each sale, and a no-hassle electrical service upgrade if needed. We handle the permitting, inspections, installation, signage, everything. We even specialize in finding rebates and grants to ensure no money comes out of your pocket. So contact EVCS today and see how we can help pump up the wattage on your business. EVCS. Stay charged.